Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to bold text in LinkedIn post. So let's start this video. So first we need to open LinkedIn application. Then you have to click on this plus icon on the top right corner in front of the message button. Over here you can write anything, but you can see there is no option to make the text in bold. So what I'll do is I will open Google browser, and over here you have to search yetext.com. Write down your text over here. Now just scroll down and select bold sans. Copy this. Now go back to your LinkedIn. Just cut this and paste your text over here. So this is how you add bold text in LinkedIn. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.